Before you panic about rate limit exceeded on X, stop for a second, because most people assume it's a technical glitch or their account is banned. The surprising truth is that X imposes strict API limits for all users to prevent abuse, and fixing it usually involves simple steps. Rate limit exceeded appears when you perform too many actions like tweeting, following, or using third-party apps within a short period. You won't believe what happens next when users realize that waiting it out is often the easiest solution. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They try to spam refresh, log out, or reinstall the app, which does nothing. Access limits are time-based, and the system resets after a specific window, usually 15 minutes to an hour depending on the action. Here's a step-by-step guide to fix it. First, stop all rapid actions on your account. Avoid tweeting, following, or liking repeatedly. Second, check connected third-party apps. Revoke permissions for any apps that may be making automated requests. Third, log out and wait for 15-60 minutes, then resume activity gradually. For developers or power users, the rate limit applies to API calls. Reduce the frequency of API requests or implement retry logic with delays to avoid hitting limits. Monitoring usage through the developer dashboard helps prevent recurring issues. The upside is that the limit protects your account from being flagged or restricted. Following these steps ensures your account remains safe while still allowing regular activity. The downside is that aggressive activity, automation, or multiple apps hitting the account can cause repeated blocks. If limits are exceeded repeatedly, X may temporarily restrict your account until unusual activity subsides. The surprising truth about X rate limits is that they are not errors, they are safety measures. Patience, moderation, and checking third-party apps usually resolve the problem within an hour. If this guide helped you fix rate limit exceeded on X, subscribe for more social media troubleshooting tips and tricks.